Welcome to Vaulsys, the single most trusted partner in the payment industry. Our mission is simple: to improve lives where money changes hands. We know the heart of Vaulsys is our people, and our newly transformed workspace is designed to fuel their innovative spirit.
My personally most favorite is cafeteria, where we are sitting right now.
We, as Bilal said, we came here to work for lunch and for tea breaks. So it's a good new added feature.
But words can only say so much. To truly understand the Vaulsys transformation, we turn to those who envisioned it.
So innovation in technology is one part, but you need to upgrade all the other aspects of the business as well. We realize that giving our skilled resources a very good environment to work, to upgrade their morale, to upgrade their performance, get the best out of the people that we have. So the brand of Vaulsys stands for quick innovation and then lean technologies, which is able to service the market very quickly. This office is a very modern design. It's a very futuristic design. We've done this in a way that we see this workspace as a workspace of the future.
Let's see what the team members have to say about the newly renovated workspace in one word.
For me, it's tremendous.
First of all, it is complete.
It's peaceful and complete and wholesome.
From dawn till dusk, our workspace is more than just an office. It's a cradle for creativity, a hub for collaboration, a place where ideas become reality. At Vaulsys, we're not just shaping the future of payments. We're building an environment where everyone can thrive. Vaulsys, where innovation meets comfort, productivity meets well-being, and employees meet their full potential.